Let me see you do this with your Husky and Craftsman toolboxes.
So I went to Harbor Freight to shut y'all up about, oh, Snap-on's better than Icon. Oh, you got to get Snap-on. No, you don't. You don't need to spend 10 times the amount of money. Now, get it, the General Series, it's not comparable to a Snap-on, but if you want a starter toolbox, why would you not start with this, right? $2,000 gets, or $1,500 gets you this toolbox. Again, if you had the hutch and the other stuff, it adds up a little bit more. $3,000 for the Icon. That is 1/5 the price of a Snap-on box. And it might be, 2 inches shorter? I'm shaking it. It's not doing anything. I'm 180 pounds. I'm shaking the dang thing. It's not moving. And the other thing, too, that y'all talked about is that if you stepped in it, it's going to, fall over, right? It's not. Look at those casters. It's got the spring. Also, it's got the power drawer like any new Snap-on toolbox has for 1/10 the cost. So right here, I'm going to step into it. Again, I'm not trying to get kicked out of my Harbor Freight, but I'm 180 pounds, and it didn't move, didn't budge.